How to turn off sleep mode on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn off sleep mode on Instagram step by step. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, you simply have to tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are on your profile section, just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you tap on it, you'll be prompted to the settings and activity page. Now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on notifications. And now here, inside the notification, if you scroll down there, you can see the option labeled as sleep mode. So simply tap on it, and now here inside this option you can see the option labeled as sleep mode again. So if you want to turn this off, simply toggle this option off, and once you're done with it, you can go back and you can see that your sleep mode has turned off on Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can turn off sleep mode on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.